My experience at the Cleveland Clinic was absolutely amazing. During my internship, I was working on a computer using Python to analyze the different biomarkers within the brains of all the different patients from a multi-center study. Specifically, the Nakamura Lab was a smaller group of people, and we did research on multiple sclerosis with deep learning and machine learning to understand the diagnostic criteria and to better develop it. Using AI during my internship was honestly super cool. It's not something that I ever really thought would be in our world today. So I was able to basically train my computer to learn the different biomarkers. So I thought that was super cool. I was able to listen to different doctors and nurses and even researchers to learn more about multiple sclerosis treatment and the diagnostic criteria, which is being updated to include the central vein sign. My internship taught me that the technology for this treatment can help speed up the process of diagnosis for multiple sclerosis so that it can include people that weren't necessarily diagnosed with MS in the past, but now can start treatment earlier to hopefully minimize their symptoms. Miami has prepared me to be on the forefront of these discoveries by all the different classes that I've taken here and the advice that all of my professors have given me.